Good morning, children. This is my third video session for your chapter 3 Movements of the Earth. In the previous session, I have explained you about the solstice. Solstice is the position of the Earth when sun rays fall directly upon Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere or Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. Today, I am going to explain you equinoxes. Equinox means when the duration of day and night is equal throughout the world. On one particular day, duration of day and night is equal throughout the world, that is known as equinox. In one year, we are having two solstices, that is 21st June and 22nd December. Same way, in one year, we are having two equinoxes, 23rd September and 21st March. Okay, 21st March and 23rd September. Now see here, children. On 21st March, what happens? 21st March, what happens that sun rays fall directly on the equator. If not directly on the equator, almost equal distribution throughout two hemispheres. Distribution of sun rays on two hemispheres, northern and southern hemisphere. That is why on one particular day, during the movement of the earth, revolution of the earth, that particular day, the day and night are equal. Okay, and that particular day is 23rd September. 23rd September is the period when we are having autumn in northern hemisphere, and when it is autumn in northern hemisphere, then just opposite to the autumn, the season is a spring, and southern hemisphere will experience spring on the same day, 23rd September. Okay, spring in and 23rd September. Let's see here, 23rd September. If it is autumn in northern hemisphere, it will be spring in southern hemisphere. Now coming back to the fourth position in your diagram, that means if we take the date 21st March, 21st March is the spring season in southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, and autumn season in southern hemisphere. Okay, children, see this is spring in northern hemisphere and autumn in southern hemisphere, because again on that particular day sun rays fall almost equal throughout the earth the sun rays fall directly. That is why 21st March is the day when day and night are equal in both the hemisphere. Okay, children, so solstice, two solstices in one year, and equinox, two equinox in one year. We have to remember the dates. We have to remember the dates. That is very important. Now coming back to your exercise. Children, this chapter you may feel it little tough. I will try to make a video for this particular topic, solstice and equinox, but only after 1 week, so that you must go through the chapter, read it again and again, and go through the diagram. You will having a little idea, then I will explain it again so that you can better understand it. Now coming back to your exercise, the fixed path on which our earth revolves is axis. Revolution of the earth causes seasons. The spinning of the earth on its axis is rotation. Dash occurs on 23rd September. Just now we have done that. Autumn equinox occurs on 23rd September. Autumn equinox is there on 23rd September. Okay. Then one word answer. What causes day and night? Revolution of the earth causes day and night. Rotation of the earth. Children, rotation of the earth causes day and night. I am not writing answer here because you all know the answer. Then coming to the second one, it is the time taken by the earth to complete one revolution. I have to search out the answer. How much time? There could be varying answers. Perhaps the answer will be 365, 1 by 4 days. It is the time taken by the earth to complete one revolution. So you and me will search out the answer, and then we will write it down. The day on which the duration of day and night is equal in both hemispheres. So what is the day? The day on which the day duration of day and night is equal in both hemisphere, that is known as equinox. Equinox. Okay. Now coming to the short answers, and these short answers you have to write down in your SST fair notebook. Answers are very simple, so you can write down yourself. What are the two movements of the earth? Two movements of the earth are rotation and revolution. I'm telling you, listen it carefully, you can write it down. What are the four main seasons? Four main seasons are summer, winter, autumn and spring. When it is summer in northern hemisphere, which season does the southern hemisphere experience? Yes children, what will be the answer? Answer will be winter season. Okay. When do we have equal days and night? We have equal days and night on equinox. Okay children. So this is your today's SST work. Any doubt? I will clear that doubt in next video. Bye children.